You're welcome back. WhatsApp channel. So today we're going to look at WhatsApp channel. WhatsApp channels are a feature that serves as a one-way broadcasting tool, allowing administrators to send various types of content such as text messages, photos, videos, stickers, and posts to subscribers. Users can discover channels matching their interests through the searchable directory. Join channel by clicking on invitation link and follow updates from celebrities, sports teams, artists, creators, and thought leaders. So WhatsApp channel is actually another quite amazing strategy to market your product. Okay, a channel, uh, it's a feature on WhatsApp that when you create it, it's more or less like broadcast or WhatsApp group, but it just kind of start sitting in between them. Okay, you can post content on the channel, and anybody that subscribes to your channel will see the content. Okay, they can react to the content, but they can't comment like you do on WhatsApp group. Okay, and they can't post their own stuff there, but they will see whatever content you post. If you dropped a link, they can click on that link. Do you understand? So that's how WhatsApp channel is. Okay, so and one good advantage of channel is that people can search for a channel that they're interested in. If you are searching for a channel that is related to what you are posting or what your channel is about, then your channel might pop up. So people can join your channel without you even sending them link to join. Do you understand? So a lot of people can join your channel if you take posting, like if you are serious about social media posts. Okay, you can get a lot of people to subscribe. You have enough people, then you can also share the link, your channel link, to your audience to join your channel, so that when you post content, they will read your content or react to your content. And when you post promotional, and the same principle I taught you about WhatsApp status and the WhatsApp broadcast also applies here. Okay, you can be posting entertainment stuff, motivation stuff, and all stuff that you know that will benefit them. Okay, they will be enjoying. So once in a while, you post promotional content. Okay, once in a while, you post promotional content. So you post more of things that will help them. Okay, either help them make money or help them make them happy, may help them relax. Okay, help them learn wisdom, stuff like that. Then at once in a while, you post content selling your product. Okay, so if you do it well, then the people that are in your channel will be content, they will be returned. Okay, they'll be returned. And when you post promotional content, like when you post something you want to sell, many of them will subscribe, they will want to buy. Okay, so that's just it about the channel. Yeah, the channel has a 30-day content expiry policy. So after 30 days, the content expires. Okay, it stores history, it stores for 30 days, and offer options for administrator to control messages forwarding, blocking, screenshot, and manage subscribers. Okay, so all you need to know is that whatever you're posting on the channel, after 30 days, it will expire. Okay, now to create a channel, let me quickly show you how to create a channel, right? Okay, so this is my phone. Okay, now these are the channels that I'm following. You understand? And this is my own channel, Heroic Tech and Talents. You understand? And these are some channels, few channels that I subscribe to. And if you look at here now, you're going to see some channels. You see that fine channel. These are some popular channels. I can easily join any of these channels now. Do you understand me? And I believe you already know this. If you're using WhatsApp, this is not going to be new to you. Okay, you already know this, but just for training's sake, to be nice that I also show you. So you can explore more channel by clicking on explore. Okay, when you click on explore, you see more, and more, and then you search for the one you need. Okay, if you want to create a channel, you can create a channel by clicking on this three dots here. Okay, for now this is how to create a channel. It might change later, so even if it changes, the steps to follow change, you will still find it's easy to navigate. Okay, it won't be difficult for you to navigate to create a channel. Just click on create channel. Okay, then click on continue, then they add the name of your channel and put your image. The channel will be created. I'm not creating any channel right now. Okay, let me see if I can create a channel. Let me create Heroic Inspiration channel. Heroic Inspiration channel. To inspire and motivate people for greatness. Okay, then you put your image, the image of maybe I'm going to put my logo here. I don't know if I can get this logo quickly. Let me try to see if I can locate the logo. So I will use this. Okay, because of time I'll use this. We'll use this for now. I will still change it later. Okay, just choose whatever I want to use as the image. Okay, just use this for now. That is it. Okay, then you create a channel. Awesome. So your channel is created, and you can share the link. Okay, get your channel link. You can share the link. You can copy the link and send it to people. Once they click on the link, they will join your channel. Okay, so that's how channel is created. Then you can type in and post. When people join, you're going to see the number of followers you have here, right? Then you can type in something and post. You can post, keep posting content, and all your followers, if they view it, they will see it, and they will react. They can react to it. Okay, so that's how channel is. So just know that it follows the same principle. Post entertainment content, post motivational content, post lectures. Okay, then once in a while you post your promotion. If you do it well, you will also make a breakthrough while creating using your WhatsApp. Okay, so you see that there are so many channels on WhatsApp you can actually use to promote your product. So when you're on WhatsApp, do not just come to WhatsApp for entertainment only, just to relax. You just know that WhatsApp is a powerful tool for making millions for your business, right? So I think with this you are good to go when it comes to channels, right? So creating channel is easy. Now you can join other people's channel. You can explore to see more. You see that there are more channels. You see entertainment channels, sports channels. Okay, people. So many. You can search for a channel, a particular channel you want to search for from here, and the channel will appear. You join. You understand it? So that's all you need to know about channel for now. So we've talked about, I've told you a bit about WhatsApp channel marketing, right? How to market on WhatsApp channel. So you see, use your channel link to invite people to your channel. Post your channel objective, okay? Just tell people what your channel is about. And you've seen me done that already, where I wrote to inspire and motivate people. You understand? Yeah. So post helpful, entertaining, educative, and informative content consistently. Okay, just keep posting content there. All right, you can go to social media, get content that will interest them. You post there. Okay, like if you ask them, if you look at that my WhatsApp status organized post, you see that I have lots of content there that I post every day. So where do I get all those videos? Apart from the one I made myself, I got them from social media. I used to go to YouTube, then I go to YouTube Shorts. So get some videos that are related to my product and other entertainment videos that I believe people like. get them short, mostly are short, because I'm posting them on WhatsApp status. So YouTube Shorts is usually a short video. Okay, usually short videos. So I'll get from different categories of videos, download them. Okay, let me show you the app I use for the download of, in case if you want to also use the same app to download uh, social media content. Okay, there are many apps, but I will show you the one I'm using. Okay. Okay, so look at here now. You're going to see this app, TubeMate. TubeMate. So this is what I use to download videos on social media. TubeMate. So this TubeMate actually is not on Play Store. You won't get it on Play Store. They have their own website where you can download it. So if you search TubeMate on Google, you see it, you download it. Okay. If you don't want to use any app that is not on Play, because there are people that don't like to use apps that are not on Play Store, then you just go to Play Store, look for any other app, make research on other apps to download social media. But I've fallen in love with this one because it's giving me what I want. Well, that's why. So I'm introducing it to people, and it has never been harmful to my phone. Okay, so but just know that because it's not on Play Store, I don't know if you're using iPhone or Android. If you're using iPhone, I don't know if it's on iPhone. So you'll have to look for app to download if it's not on iPhone. I have iPhone, but I don't really use iPhone most often for social media to download videos. I use my Android, and what you're seeing now is my Android. Okay, very good. So so just know, since it's not on Play Store, after downloading it from Google, if you want to install it, the Google Play Store, Google will flag it as, will tell you that it might harm your phone, or it might get afraid. Okay, just know that the reason why Google is telling you that it might harm your phone is because, or it might harm your data or something. It's because it is not on Play Store, and it's not protected by Play Protect. You understand? So that is it. But I've used it; it's not harmful at all. The much I know. If you're afraid of using app that is on Play Store, so look for another app to use. Okay. So this is the app I use to download. You can open YouTube video here if you want to. Okay, but that's it. I think we are done with this. Okay, it's easy to use. All right. Do I even show you how to download? Okay, let me see if I can download one video to show you for those that will want to use it, right? So if you look now, I open the app and this is how it looks. So this is YouTube, showing YouTube. You can type in YouTube content, I mean maybe youtube.com here, or any other sites you want to download. Or let's see, if you are browsing on social media and you saw a content you want to download, copy the link of that content and put it on top here. Once you put it on top, that thing you are seeing it will show here. Everything will show here. Okay, once it shows, then you are going to see this button. You click on here to download it. Okay, you click to download. So you see it will pass this. Then you select the size of the video. If you want it to be smaller size, you choose from here. If you want it to be a complete size, full size, choose the highest size. Okay, so whichever you want. All right, but let me just make it small because I don't really need to download this. But if you want to download, especially if it's a content that you need to see very clearly, that means you have to choose the big size. But if you can make do with smaller size, that is just something you watch like movie, you mustn't download movie in the full size. Okay, just choose smaller size and you download. Just click on download. Okay. So once you click on download, it will be downloading in the background. So if you scroll by the left side, sorry, if you move it left, I think I'm going to use my finger to do it. Okay, yeah, you see that it's downloading now. Okay, so before you know that, it's fully downloaded. So that's how you use TubeMate. Okay. So you see, all these are the ones I've downloaded before. All the movies I downloaded before. Good. So you can start using it to be, it will help you, and it's free to use. All right, you don't have to pay to use it. So that is it. All right. So with this, with that app, with the TubeMate app, you will download as many content, social media content as you want. So many. Okay. So I use it for your WhatsApp marketing. You post on WhatsApp and people enjoys it. Okay. Then you can be posting every day, many times in a week, every week. Just be consistent. Okay. So add call to action when necessary. Okay, so whenever you are posting maybe a promotion, always try to add call to action. And when I say call to action, I mean like maybe you're dropping account details for them to pay, or sending a link to your website for them to click to visit your website, or stuff like that. Okay. Then once in a while you post promotion. Okay, so that's how it is. So that's how to market in WhatsApp channel. Thank you so much.